How's it, guys? Welcome back to FX Rhapsody. One day already done in the week, and we've caught already some nice pips. Just wanted to show you two currency pairs that there were some nice trading setups. Before we hit the charts, just go visit my website, bottom left corner, where you can find all my previous analysis. You can also find some nice trading material going to your category. Scrolling down to video category. For those of you starting out on trading, just go visit that. All my videos are nicely categorized. We've also got the resource tab where you can download the free COT reports, which I use in all my analysis. And then also there's a brokers tab where you can look at my preferred brokers. These guys are brilliant, especially trading your currencies and also NASDAQ, regarding your spreads and all that and margins, and just, brilliant brokers to go try out. Okay, so first day is done of the week. Did some analysis over the weekend, and I just want to show you some nice pips you could have caught already after the first day. We're starting off with the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Now, on my analysis, just want to zoom out a little bit. We did talk about this little entry that you could have caught, going down. We had it using our Fibonacci. We took the swing high to the swing low, price retracing nicely to the 62% area, which is over there. Okay, this was falling nicely into this area of the fair value gap as well, right around there. Okay, and as you can see, nice little amount of pips. So very nice entry, two confirmations of a nice sell entry over there. For those of you that hasn't seen my video regarding my fair value gap, the link will be on the top right corner, right about there, and also I will have it in my description. So you could have caught a nice little sell on that area where price, and if you did, you could have been 100 pips strong, or you could have taken the next one, which was part of my analysis. And I'm just going to draw this line over here, which is a trend line. We did speak about this, or I did speak about this in my analysis of the weekend. We had a nice trend line going up. You can see price, and I was still saying price might break below, hit the retracement or retrace back to that line and selling off. And if you just going to zoom in, and if you did, and if you looked at it, you just can have two little entries over there. Now, break in structure, breaking that trend line, forming a imbalance in the market, in the candlesticks, aka fair value gap, price going down, retracing back to it, and again, two confirmations, that it is a nice area to place a little sell, is price retracing back into that fair value gap. It gets drawn, price action gets drawn into that gap, and also we have that nice little trend line area that, price respected, it broke, came back, respected it, and that is a nice area for a nice little downward sell of about 30 odd pips. Currently, we have price moving down here. It created a new low, okay? So we will now see and wait. Will price come back again, retesting that trend line again, moving slightly up, or will it start falling down to the bottom here? We have got another area that I'm looking at, just taking this out, and let's take all the other information out. Now, like I said, price gets drawn to certain areas in the market, so we might have price going, because it's currently in a little bit of a downtrend. We are looking at sell opportunities over there for another sell. So that was the entry for the US dollar, Canadian dollar. The next one that we're going to look at, and this was also a nice, beautiful entry, was the US dollar, Japanese yen. Where's this one? Okay, so what happened over here? On the weekend, we were talking about this area over here, right? That area, and I was highlighting this area as well. Okay, those two areas were my previous low and then my high. You can actually, this was the low, so there's liquidity lying at the bottom, high liquidity lying at the top. So what happened is very easy, guys. Price came, broke that area, created a nice big candle, pushing up candle in the market. It took the liquidity out, as you can see. It took it out. Then price retraced back, zooming in a little bit. So where does price get drawn towards? It gets drawn towards the fair value gap area. Again, guys, go watch that video regarding my regarding the fair value gap. I think it was called Smart Money Concepts. I think that's what I would call it, and that's also going to be in the description. Price gets drawn to that, and now price starts shooting up. Where does it go to? What does price get drawn towards? It takes out liquidity. That's lying at the top there. Liquidity, making a liquidity run, guys. There's the next one over there. We can see price moving up, taking this liquidity out with a big push. Now it's retracing back. Okay. This little move upwards, if you had to take your buy, 70 odd pips. So guys, over 100 pips, first day of the week. You know, just go watch my analysis. I will have it in the description again, my previous analysis on these two pairs. And also don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, because there's definitely some more analysis and some video content about trading coming your way. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are staying safe, and I hope you're having a pipful trading week. Happy trading, guys.